In this video, we are going to make mechanical animation of electronic circuit. At the end of this video, we can render images like this, which can be used to make our project documents more informative, and videos like this, which can make our project presentation more impressive. Now, we are starting to make animation from scratch. First of all, open Eagle file of circuit. This is one of my third year engineering project. We are going to make its animation. These are two PCBs. This right one PCB will be attached on this left one PCB. Now this PCB has dimensions nearly 51 by 60 mm. Now open Autodesk software. Its link for downloading is given in the description. Now select box and put its dimensions, which are of our PCB in Eagle file. Select height equal to 1 mm. Then we are selecting material for it. I am selecting PVC material, and then color, I am selecting yellow color. Now we want to place Atmega 328 IC on the PCB. You can download these components from my GrabCAD account. Here you can find all components which I used in this project, or which we generally use in any electronic project. You can download its HTTP file, or you can download Autodesk file. Now I am importing Atmega 328 IC in Autodesk software. Now I am fixing IC on PCB. Now we want to fix position of IC according to the position in Eagle file. Now first select dimension tool. Now here I am selecting dimension tool. Then find distance of IC from left edge. It's nearly 17 mm. Now we want to find IC distance of IC from top edge. It is nearly 20 mm. Now I am adjusting the location of IC according to the location given in the Eagle file. Now position of the IC is fixed. In this way you can fix position of all components. Now we want to make corners of this PCB round. Now for putting this all components it will take much time, so I will show you directly the 3D model after placing all components. This is how our 3D model will look like after placing all components. This is bottom PCB and this is top PCB. These are the connections from bottom PCB to top PCB. After designing acrylic casing for our circuit, it will look like this. To make its animation, first we need to save it in STP file, which will be imported in Keyshot file. The link for downloading Keyshot is given in the description. This is STP file of the device. Now import that STP file in Keyshot software. Select original size. Now device is imported. Now first adjust the position of device. Now select all sides of acrylic casing, make it group and go to the material tab, then select solid glass material. Then you can adjust the properties of the glass. Now we will wrap this image to our battery. You can see the procedure for wrapping image to any object. Adjust the parameter in label tab to fix image on battery. Now first image is adjusted. Now we want to wrap image on this side. Now image is wrapped. Device will look like this. Now go to window, then animation palette will be open. Now select camera 1. Now we are setting the camera view. Select resolution of video. Then click on animation wizard. Now we want to orbit our camera around the device. Select camera, then here there will be 360 and finish. Now you can see camera is orbiting around our device. Now we want to disassemble outer casing of the device. For that, first select one face of the outer casing and give it translational motion. Now translational motion to upper side of casing is given. Do same thing for remaining 5 sides of the casing. Now translation motion to outer casing is given. Our video will look like this. Now we want to pull out this IC outside to show it specification. Select IC, then give it translational motion. You can see IC is coming out of the circuit. Now we want our camera to zoom on the IC. After zooming on IC, our video will look like this. Then revert the zoom by mirroring it. Press on mirror. Now after zooming in, there will be zoom out. Then reassemble the outer casing by mirroring translational motion given to it. After that, our animation will look like this. Now we want to revolve camera again after assembling the outer casing. This is our final animation. Now for rendering, go to render. Then press on render, select resolution of the video. Then select video output. Then select frame output, because if software suddenly crashes, then we can make video using these frames. Select all four cores, then default, then select render. Now rendering has started. It will take nearly 5 hours for rendering video of 10 seconds. This is the video after rendering. You can put text in between using any video editing software. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.